Hello everyone, so if you want to fix your network issues on Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all open up your settings, then you're gonna scroll down to your more connectivity options, here they are, and now you're to select your reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So choose this option, confirm your choice by pressing reset settings, enter your PIN, confirm your choice by pressing OK, and that's it. Now, don't forget to check your SIM card. So choose your mobile networks, choose your SIM. In here, make sure to turn off your low LTE calls. However, this phone doesn't have this option. If your phone has, turn it off. And Wi-Fi calls. So as you see, it's already turned off. Then check if it's working. If your network is still not working, I recommend performing a hard reset. However, keep in mind that all of your information will be deleted. So find your About Phone tab. Now in your About Phone tab, scroll down and select Factory Reset. Confirm your choice by pressing erase all data and simply perform it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.